Hi, today I want to answer the question, what does a lawyer's fee buy? Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney located in beautiful Ithaca, New York. It's summertime, it's Memorial Day weekend, and I'm happy to say, I want to tell you today, what does a lawyer fee actually buy? Well, the first thing it buys is you don't have to deal with your ticket. If you got a ticket, you don't have to deal with the court. You don't have to deal with the prosecutor. You don't have to deal with the process. You don't have to deal with the correspondence. You don't have to deal with the letters. You don't have to deal with the back and forth. So that's number one. You don't have to deal with it. Number two is, if you have an attorney, the attorney can bring the threat of a trial. Yes, you can go get a trial on your own, but you don't really have the same threat as an attorney that's locally based too, because the judges and prosecutors don't want to have trials on all their tickets because they're going to be there a long time, have to subpoena the police officer to be there. Everybody's going to have to participate in this process. It takes a certain number of hours. So the threat of having a trial and putting all the evidence on trial or at risk is something that people are looking to avoid within the process. So that's number two. Number three is, the attorney is going to do all the groundwork, going to do all the negotiating for you, going to do all the coordinating of papers and documents back and forth. I mean, let me tell you, there's a lot of it that goes back and forth. An attorney, like myself, will typically get involved with a speeding ticket. We're going to notify the court, we're going to ask for an adjournment, we're going to go get all your information, all of the records, everything else, then we're going to set up a time to talk to the prosecutor, we're going to send the prosecutor a letter. Each of the letters that goes to the prosecutor, each of the documents that goes to the court, we need to verify that they actually received those documents, because sometimes you might send them in and they might forget about them. Everything gets copied, everything gets duplicated, everything that goes back and forth between the court and the attorney, you're going to get notified of. They're going to act as your representative in the court. You're going to have to physically show up to court because the attorney is going to represent all your interests. And the attorney knows what is possible in that court, based on their experience, based on prior track history and record, based on looking at the facts, based on knowing the law. So these are the things that you're buying with an attorney versus doing it yourself, as I say, DIY. If you have questions about a speeding ticket or another ticket within the Upstate region of New York State, the Ithaca area, you could either give me a call or shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to discuss it with you. And thanks for watching this video.